Do you know the data analysis skill is considered to be among the top 10 skills in 2025 by the World Economic Forum? Hi, my name is Sandra. Would you love to learn a skill in tech? Why don't you enroll for our data analysis training? Our data analysis course will help you acquire technical and conceptual skill you need to make improved decisions and be on top of your game at all times. Here at Bizmarrow Technologies, we offer practical hands-on training on various data analysis skills using different softwares like Excel, Stata, Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, R, SQL, not to forget Python programming for data analysis and data science. Our trainers are industry professionals. Our environment is conducive for learning. Our trainings are 90% practical, where a trainer is assigned to you to give you maximum attention. What are you waiting for? Why don't you call us on 090-9666-9196 or visit any of our offices today, either at Gwarimpa or Central area. Don't forget, small steps every day, that's how you achieve big goals. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.